These are black tourmaline raw stones. Black tourmaline is one of the most popular and essential stones for any spiritual purposes. They are best known for its psychic protection, protecting one's energy field against attachments, entities and energetic debris. These raw forms of black tourmaline are very common in the crystals world. Here's another form of black tourmaline: black tourmaline slabs or slices. We all know that we often encounter individuals or situations that emanate bad vibes. We can sometimes broadcast them ourselves, so black tourmaline acts like etheric vacuum cleaners, clearing oneself and one's surrounding of negativity and disharmony. For example, ridding oneself of negative thoughts, anxieties, anger and ideas of unworthiness. The high levels of purification through black tourmaline is powerful, and it is an energy needed by everyone in challenging time, especially now. Crystal slabs are one of my favorite, as you can use them in many ways: display or on your body. I will do another video on how I use crystal slab. Do subscribe to get notification on this. These black tourmaline slabs are available in Spark Crystals Rocks shop. Link in description box. May black tourmaline help you vacuum out all the negative vibes and spark joy within you. Visit shop to get your own spiritual vacuum slab now. Subscribe to Spark Crystals Rocks channel for more crystals and rocks videos. Also visit Spark Crystals Rocks shop. Link below. Thank you for your support in advance. See you guys in the next video.